guys, Candida here, and I got this clothing rack with wheels. It measures 36 inches long and it will hold up to 110 pounds. What I like about this is on the bottom there is room for either more clothes or I can stack shoes there. It does have wheels, and so I am able to wheel it wherever I need it. Not only is this handy in my laundry room on laundry day, I can put the clothes there, and whoever's clothes they are, they can literally roll it to their room and put up their clothes. But I recently used this in a garage sale, and it was great that I could wheel it outside. Two of the wheels lock, so I didn't have to worry about it rolling down the driveway. But it held a lot of clothes and people were able to look through it. So it has been multi-purpose for me, not only on laundry day, but it is something I can wheel outside. So here you can see that I just finished up a load of laundry. I've got everything that needs to be on hangers up top. Down the bottom, I've got the stuff that's folded along with the hamper. So this makes it super easy for my kids to come in, grab the laundry when it's done, roll it to their room and put their clothes up and bring me the empty rack. So this has been a big time saver for me on laundry day.